Is there a world where the sun rises where it sets? A world where north is south and east is west? Is there a world where two continents are one? Where Europe is Asia and 100 languages tell the same tale? Is there a world where a forest of flowers blooms year-round? Is there a world where all religions pray as one? Is there a world where the ancient is always new? Where young is old, and old is forever young? Is there a world where words are ambassadors of peace, and where weapons are poetry? Is there a world where science is a sport, where poetry is a competition? Is there a world where thought is worshipped by all and philosophy is being in love? Is there a world where the soul is an open book? Where peace is a commonplace? Is there a world where energy has no mass and gravity is not a law? Is there a world where the snow leopard can fly? A world where two rivers mix, two cultures collide, two religions meet, two peoples love, and all worlds come together as one.
There is a world called Kazan. That world is my world and yours.
Kazan, 1,000 worlds of new.